Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an avatar in CapCut Commerce. So here you can try to open CapCut.com, try to sign in with your account, and if you don't have, please please sign up so you can use all the features, all the service that CapCut provide. Let's start by open CapCut Commerce. You can click on top left corner of your screen, and this is the CapCut Commerce Pro. So here you can try to create or choose or custom your avatar to showcase your product in style. So try it now, this one. So here, quickly create avatar video.
I'm your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right and click on the script in the video.
So accurate lip sync will be available after export. Let's try. So you can create your custom avatar. It's coming soon, but you can try to edit your script first. Then here you can change caption style. For example, this one, or this one, or just this one. The quick. So choose your avatar here. So let's try change the gender. Let's try the female with the young age. Sorry, but make sure it's fake. This one with the figure average. So there is a name here, Riley. So here gaming, for example. Okay, let's reset and change by industry. So this is the gaming scene. Let's try the esport room. Pose a sit upright. The outfit style, let's try the sporty, no formal, or just let a casual one. Here we go. Let's try the third one, this changing avatar. Wait the process. And now you can edit your script. So you can edit. Just try it. Hello, I'm your avatar. Let's try just short caption here or script. This one, for example, save. And let's try.
Hello, I'm your avatar. Let's play mobile game with me.
So here we go. You can export this video. If you feel you don't satisfy, you can click edit more, or you can try to undo your avatar. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, next button below. See you in the next video.